Hello all you beautiful people, how you doing today? This is Lava Temptress and welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new here, welcome, hi! Today we're going to be talking about another Humble bundle that just came out, and this one is a book bundle. This is the iOS and Android mobile development by Packt bundle full of books. Well, ebooks. This is $1,286 worth of awesome stuff, which is pretty cool considering the top tier is only $15 today. So, if you're looking into getting into iOS and Android mobile development, this is probably a bundle you're going to want to pick up. It's pretty cheap for the amount of materials you get. At least that's what I think. So, in my opinion, if it's something you're going to be wanting to do, you definitely want to pick this up. But you do have 20 days, basically 21 days after today. From the time it releases, it's usually 21 days, but it depends. If you need a reminder to come purchase the bundle later or take a look at it, you can always click the reminder button and it'll send you a cool little email to your email that you're signed up for, and it will remind you before the bundle's up. Now, these are DRM free, which just means that you can have them on multiple devices. So these are multi-format, so there's PDF, Mobi, and EPUB, and because there's PDF, that means it'll work on any tablet. Any tablet, any computer, because, you know, PDF's universal, so it'll work anywhere. So it is so far only had 34 bundles sold, but that does tend to go up. Alright, so let's see. You always start out with just $1, and if you're unsure, the way the bundles work is whatever bundle you purchase, you get everything in that bundle, plus if there's a tier above it, then you get that tier also. I keep saying bundle, but I mean tier. So, the $1 bundle includes Android programming for beginners. It is the 2nd edition. iOS 13 programming for beginners, 4th edition. Flutter for beginners. Android programming with Kotlin for beginners. Learn Swift by building applications. And the complete iOS 11 and Swift development course, build 20 different apps. And that is video course. So that's pretty cool. And that's just for $1. So even if this is something that you think you might be interested in, you could pay $1 and find out if it's something you want to explore later. So I think that's pretty cool. Now our next tier is $8, and these are all the books you get with it. But of course, you would also get everything in the $1 tier. So for $8, you also get the hands-on server-side web development with Swift, Android 9 Development Cookbook, it's the 3rd edition, the Day 7 Android App Bootcamp, Android Pie and Kotlin, and it is a video series, hands-on Android UI development, Swift UI, build beautiful robust apps, and that's another video series, hands-on full stack development with Swift, Ionic Cookbook, 3rd edition, React Native Cookbook, 2nd edition, React Native Blueprints, and Xamarin.Forms Project. I probably screwed that up, so my apologies. And then for $15, which is our top bundle today, that means you would get everything on this page here today. So for $15, it also adds Mastering Xamarin, UI Development. It is the 2nd edition. Swift Protocol Oriented Programming, 4th edition. Test Driving iOS Development with Swift 4, 3rd edition. Swift Weather Meteorologist application with REST API, that is another video series. And Mastering Swift 5, 5th edition. And that is it. Short, sweet bundle today. It does support charity as always. This one is for global giving. And as always, you go down here to pay. If the dollar amount doesn't show, you just put it in there. Regardless, if you do not purchase the top tier, it'll just pop up warnings telling you that you're not going to get the other stuff in the bundles. It's completely okay. This is only to add to cart if you want to add Humble Choice, but here's where you want to go to purchase. Pay with card, PayPal, Amazon, or Alipay. And of course, you can give it as a gift or even make it anonymous, which is always fun. That's it. I do have my affiliate link down below if you choose to purchase it and use my link. I do make a little bit of money, so thank you for that. And that's it. Short, sweet bundle today. If you have any questions or comments, let me know. But until next time, this is Lava Temptress. Don't get burned.